All right, nature lovers, get ready to test your knowledge of the wild. Only true animal experts will conquer this quiz.
Which creature mimics dead leaves perfectly? What do baby kangaroos call home? Halfway there, champions of the wild, don't let your guard down. How do bats primarily navigate in darkness? Which unique marsupial is native only to Australia? What process allows plants to convert sunlight into food? You crushed it. How many did you get right? Follow for more daily quizzes.